ladies, how are you? I hope you are doing well. I am here with a Walgreens haul. This is a Walgreens haul in combination with kind of like a couponing haul. As many of you know, I'm always trying to save money on beauty. So if you like this video, if you like me to kind of tell you maybe the Walgreens deals that I might buy every other week or so, or just kind of some coupons you can use, let me know, because I know a lot about couponing and a lot of different ways to use coupons to save money. So if you're interested, leave a comment below and I can kind of start to do a little bit more of that here on the channel. Alright, so everything I am about to show you cost a total of $17.31 after the coupons that I used. Walgreens has this thing called Balance Reward Points. If you go to CVS, it's like their, I don't know what they're called because we don't have a CVS here. Like, oh, Extra Care Bucks, I think. Maybe that's Rite Aid, but it's kind of like the same thing. So if you buy certain things and you have this free just beauty club card, not beauty club, it's like a Balance Rewards, sorry. If you have a Balance Reward card and you buy like certain items each week, you can earn points. Sorry, I have a rat in my hair. Like, what is this? Oh, my gosh. Okay, sorry, that was driving me nuts. Anyway. So, anyway, they have Balance Rewards. If you buy certain items each week, you earn points. If you earn 5,000 points, it's $5 off like anything in the store. So, some weeks I'll buy, you know, quite a bit at Walgreens. Some weeks I won't. It just depends on if they have something that I want and if they have it for super cheap. In last Sunday's paper, everything that I got was from using a coupon from last Sunday's paper. So if you picked up the Sunday paper, you probably have one of each of these coupons that you can use. I usually buy 2 newspapers on Sundays because I do use the coupons a lot. And then my mom always gives me her coupons because she doesn't use them. And my grandma does the same thing. And sometimes my uncle does the same thing as well. It depends on if he comes to Sunday dinner or not. But if he does, he brings his coupons as well because they all just kind of throw them away. And I actually will use 1 or 2 of them out of there. So I buy 2 papers, but I kind of get some extras from my family. So this last Sunday, I actually ended up with 4 papers, yeah, because I bought 2, I got 1 for my mom and 1 for my grandma. So, I have 4 different coupons for some of these things, so that's why I was able to get it so cheap. So, anyway, at Walgreens this week, they have their Schwab Professionals on sale for $2.99. Normally, they're $3.99, which is more expensive than Walmart, but, anyway, so Walgreens had them on sale for $2.99, and if you bought 2 of them, you got, I believe, 2,000 points. I don't know. I'll have to check on that. I think you got like 2,000 points, which is like $2. They were on sale for $2.99, and in Sunday's paper, there were coupons for $1 off 1 Schwab Professional shampoo or whatever. So I got 4 of them, because I had 4 coupons. So I got these. This is the shampoo and conditioner. This one is the Natural Infusion with macadamia oil and white orchid. I have never tried this one before, but I really like the little Natural Infusion line or whatever. I've tried the keratin one before and I really liked it. I like the smell. So this smells almost like coconut, but not quite. I don't know how to describe it really, but it smells good and I do like these shampoos, and I got them for super cheap. So after I used my coupon, they were like $1.99, but then I got the points, which made them actually like $1 because I earned points to spend next time. Like I said, I could explain that more in another video. I got another set here. This is the Natural Infusion with Awapuhi ginger. I don't know. And honeysuckle. Awapuhi, I guess. I don't know what that is. Anyway, so this smells really good. The reason I got this is because it is anti-breakage, and I'm hoping maybe it'll work good like the Fall Fight from Garnier Fructis. Who knows, but so I got 4 shampoo conditioners. And the next thing that I got was Yardley soap. You see these things in my monthly empties video like every single month. This has become my absolute favorite soap of all time. So if you need a soap that is awesome, get this soap. So this is the Yardley London Oatmeal and Almond. I love anything almond scented. And like the bag I carried these home in just smelled so good. I left it in my car for a little while, and I came back to my car, and like my car smelled amazing because I had all of this soap in there. Anyway, these are normally like $1.50 or $1. They're kind of expensive for one little bar of soap, but this week at Walgreens they're on sale for $1 a piece, and if you buy 3 you get 1 free. So basically if you buy 4 of them you pay $3. So I got 4 of them to pay $3, and I got 4 more of them. I did get 8 soaps, but they had the oatmeal and almond in stock, and sometimes they're out of it. So I did get 8 bars of oatmeal and almond soap, and in the paper last week there was a $1 coupon for 4 bars. So I got 4 of them at Walgreens for $3 because they were buy one get one free, and so it cost $3 minus my $1 coupon, so I basically got 4 for $2, which is 50 cents a piece, which is way on sale. So I stocked up so I don't have to buy them again for a while. Okay, and the last few things I got weren't necessarily on sale, but I wanted to use the coupons. They were burning a hole in my pocket. So the next few things I got were, of course, nail polish, and they're all by Wet n Wild. There was a coupon in the paper for $1 off any Wet n Wild, and every time I get those coupons, I'm like straight to Walmart or straight to Walgreens to buy some nail polish because you can get it dirt cheap. So the Wet n Wild nail polish, some of them were on sale for $1.50 at Walgreens this week, but some of them weren't, and I got 2 that were on sale and 2 that were not. So the fast dry ones are on sale at Walgreens for $1.49 this week if you are wanting to stock up on nail polish. So after my coupon, these were 49 cents a piece, which is super awesome. So the first one I got is How I Met Your Magenta. Super pretty. It's just a bright, bright bubblegum pink. I know you can see how bright that is. It's almost neon, but not quite. It's just a true bubblegum pink. I just thought it was pretty. This one I thought was interesting. This one's just called Grey's Anatomy, and it's kind of a duochrome, and so I just thought it was interesting looking. It's got kind of a blue-green duochrome. It's really pretty, and that again was 49 cents after my coupon. And then these ones weren't on sale, but I hadn't seen these yet, and I thought they looked awesome. So I got 2 of these Mega Rocks by Wet n Wild. These were $2.99, so after my coupon they were $1.99. And they're just really cool. Like, they've got these really pretty kind of round, and some have hex glitters. They're just really chunky glitters, and I hadn't seen these before. I guess I haven't been polish shopping in a while or something, but I saw these and I thought they were awesome, so I got these 2. So this one is called Creative Control, and I'm sure you can't see that because it's super tiny, but it is called Creative Control, and it is just a bright pink, really chunky glitter. I kind of bought these together because I thought I could do some really cute kind of nail look with the 2 of those. And then this one is my favorite that I got. This one is Stick It to the Man, and this is blue, but it's got some kind of orange square glitter in there as well. It's so shiny that I don't know if you can see that well because it's kind of glaring. But I just thought it was super pretty. So if you guys have these Mega Rocks, I know they're kind of new, but I don't know how new they are. So if you have them, let me know what you think. I almost bought a couple more because they had some really interesting ones. So yeah, I got 2 of these glitter nail color Mega Rocks. Super neat. So those were $2.99. My $1 off coupon made them $1.99. So after all of that and all of the coupon whatever, my total was like 27 bucks. And after I used my, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 coupons that I had, it brought it down to $17.31. So all of these deals are going on this week at Walgreens until Sunday morning. So you can go on Saturday, you can go Saturday night, but I think they start at like midnight, so you don't want to go at midnight on Saturday. Not that you would, but yeah, so if you want to stop by Walgreens for the rest of the week, you can pick up some of these if you have a paper lying around from Sunday. That's just some things I got with this week's coupons. That's really all I used out of this week's paper, but I stocked up on my favorite soap, some shampoo, and some nail polish. So let me know if you're interested in more videos like this, or what you would like to know about couponing or anything else. I'm not an extreme couponer at all, but I do use them, and it does save quite a bit of money. So yeah, I will see you in my next video, ladies. Take care. Bye.